When you search for electric lunchboxes, everything looks the same. Same features, same images. But here's the thing. The real differences are deeper than you think. Let's uncover which options actually deliver on their promises. Product number 1. Hairfilk Electric Lunchbox. First up is the Hairfilk Electric Lunchbox. At around $19.79, this product caught my attention with its promise of quick heating and portability. If you want a reliable way to enjoy hot meals without hunting for a microwave, this is worth a serious look. This lunchbox features a 3-in-1 design, meaning you can use it with 12V, 24V, or 110V power sources. That's a huge deal for anyone who wants flexibility. Whether you're in your car, truck, or office, you can heat your food easily. The 1.5L capacity is perfect for meals, and it heats your food in about 20 to 30 minutes. Honestly, that's pretty impressive when you're on the go. Plus, it's leak-resistant, so you can carry soups without worrying about spills. Now, some users mentioned that the heating can be uneven at times. Here's the thing though, it's not a deal breaker if you stir your food halfway through heating. If you're someone who values convenience and quick meals, this one still stands out. This is perfect for you if you often eat in your car or at the office. Skip this one if you primarily eat at home where a microwave is readily available. At this price, it's a solid investment for daily use. Now, if the Hairfilk's heating wasn't quite perfect for you, the next option takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Holderby Electric Lunchbox. Next up, we have a Holderby Electric Lunchbox priced at $18.99. This caught my eye with its sleek design and high ratings. If you're looking for something that heats up quickly and is easy to carry, this might be your best bet. The Holderby offers an 80W heating capability, which means you can enjoy your meals hot in just about 30 minutes. Its 1.5L capacity is matched with a 0.45L compartment for sauces or fruit, giving you options for a complete meal. Plus, it's designed to be leak-proof, thanks to its silicone-sealed lid. No more worrying about messy spills when you're on the move. This is a big deal for anyone commuting. However, some customers pointed out that it can take longer to heat if you forget to add water. But honestly, as long as you remember this simple step, you'll be fine. It's a great choice for busy professionals or anyone who enjoys hot food on the go. This is perfect for you if you work long hours and need a reliable way to heat meals. Skip it if you need something that cooks food from scratch. For the price, you're getting a solid product. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want extra capacity. Product number 3, FanFan OK Electric Lunchbox. Coming in next is the FanFan OK Electric Lunchbox at $37.99. What grabbed my attention is its larger 1.8L capacity. If you're the type who likes to pack a hearty lunch, you need to check this one out. This model heats up quickly thanks to its 80W power and modern design. You can expect a hot lunch in about 25 minutes without needing a microwave. It comes with 2 stainless steel containers, so you can prepare and store your meals easily. Plus, the included insulated bag keeps your food fresh for hours, ideal for long days away from home. That said, some users have mentioned that the heating element can be a bit bulky, causing issues for storage. Here's the thing. If you often need a hot meal while traveling or working, the extra capacity makes it worth it. Just make sure you have space to carry it around. This is perfect for truck drivers or outdoor workers who require a substantial meal on the go. Skip it if you prefer something compact. For the quality, it's a smart buy. Now, if the larger capacity appealed to you, the next option is even more versatile. Product number 4, Sohita Electric Lunchbox. Next is the Sohita Electric Lunchbox, priced at $19.99. This caught my eye because of its universal voltage compatibility. If you travel a lot or shift between different setups, this one's for you. It supports 12V, 24V, and 110V power sources, making it super adaptable. The 1.5L stainless steel container retains flavor and freshness, and it has a 0.45L compartment for sides. With an 80W rapid heating capability, you'll have hot meals ready in about 25 to 40 minutes. That's great if you're busy and need to heat meals quickly. However, some customers noted that it doesn't heat the 0.45 L compartment. Here's the thing, though. If you're just using it for sides or snacks, this should be fine. It's a practical choice that makes lunchtime easier. This is perfect for anyone who travels frequently for work or needs a reliable solution for warm meals. Skip it if you want to heat everything at once. Given its features, it's a good deal. Now, if you want something that truly heats up quickly, the next product might be your top pick. Product number 5, Cozy Expert Electric Lunchbox. Finally, we have the Cozy Expert Electric Lunchbox at $25.63. This one stood out due to its 100W heating power. If you want quick meals without waiting, you should really consider this. With a large 1.8 L capacity, it heats your food in just 20 to 30 minutes. That's perfect when you're short on time. It's designed for 12V, 24V, and 110-230V outlets, making it ideal for both home and travel. Plus, it has a leak-proof design that prevents spills, so you can carry soups without a worry. Some users mention the need to open the exhaust cover before heating, which can be a bit annoying. But honestly, once you get used to it, it's a small hassle for the convenience you get. This lunchbox is a strong contender for anyone needing hot, nutritious meals on the go. This is perfect for those who want quick, healthy lunches while working or commuting. Skip it if you're not keen on managing a few heating steps. Overall, it offers great value for its price. To wrap things up, we've covered the Hairfilk for quick heating, the Holderby for compact ease, the FanFan OK for larger meals, the Sohita for versatility, and the Cozy Expert for rapid heating. Each has its strengths, so think about what matters most for your lifestyle. Happy lunching!